Let's do some PySpark. Second highest salary. This question appeared in an Amazon interview. In this question, they're asking, find the second highest salary of employees. We have this employees PySpark data frame here. Let's explore that. So the first thing first, in PySpark world, we do import PySpark. Okay. And then after that, data frame dot show. So this will show us the records inside that data frame. Okay. As you can see, we have this data frame here. And in that data frame, we are looking for the salary column. And in that column, we are looking for the second highest salary. So the one way that I'm going to be doing here is I'm actually going to be adding one more column here. Let's say we have one more column here on the end, okay, called salary rank. So that column will contain the rank of the salaries. So the top salary will have rank 1. The second highest salary will have rank 2, and so on, okay? So I'll be using a tool called window function to do that ranking in PySpark. If you know SQL, in SQL we have that window function, and you can check that solution out, like how I have done this problem in SQL. But in PySpark, just like SQL, I'll be using window function, and more specifically, I'll be using dense rank window function, which will be ranking the salaries in descending order. Okay, so let's begin. So before we approach window function, the first thing we have to do is to import the window, okay, the window class. So from PySpark dot SQL dot window, okay, import window. Perfect. So now we can actually create a window here. Let's call that window specification, because we are specifying here what type of window this is. So let's call this variable here right now window spec. This window actually is coming from here. We just imported that. So window dot order by salary. Okay. So now this window dot order by will actually will order the salary. Now you'll be wondering, what specific order is this? Actually ascending order, or this is descending? Right now by default this is ascending. So how can we make this descending? We have a function here in PySpark, desc. You can use that. The only thing is it's not built in, so we will have to import this desc. Okay, so this will actually sort the salary column in a descending order. Now let's import that. So from PySpark dot SQL dot functions, import desc. Okay, so that's all sorted now. We have the window specification. Now let's use our window function to create a new column. So we have this employee PySpark data frame, right? So let's overwrite that employee. How do you add a column in PySpark? You add column in PySpark using with column, and let's call that column salary rank. Okay, and now in the second argument of with column, first argument is specified the name of the column, right? In the second argument, you can specify the function aka window function. Okay, dense rank. As I said, I'll be using a dense rank type of window function. That's why I'm using dense rank. By the way, you might be wondering where this is coming from. This is not a built-in function again. I'll have to import that. So I have to import dense rank. Okay. So now this is sorted. Dense rank dot over, and then we specify the window specification. Okay. Where is this window specification coming from? We just specified that, right? Window specification was window dot order by descending salary. Okay, so now we have a new column. We should have a new column. Let's test this out. So let's run it and let's see if we get it. And let's see if we have that new column now. And there you have it. That's the column that we just created, salary rank. And as you can see, we have ranks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we have 2 6s here. That means probably they have the same salary. Let's check that out. And yes, they do. 2000, 2000. So that makes sense. And as you can see, the top salary here is 250,000, right? Yeah, 250,000. That's the top salary. In the question, they're asking for second highest salary, which is this guy here. So they're asking for this guy. So how can we extract that information? It's pretty simple. In PySpark, you use something called filter. Employee dot filter, and you're gonna specify the column name. Employee dot salary rank, because actually we're looking for salary rank equals 2, right? That means second highest salary. So salary ranks equals 2, and this will give us this specific row here, right? The second row here, the entire row is going to give us, but we don't want the entire row. We just want the salary column from that row. Okay, so in PySpark we can do dot select, and just the salary column, not the entire row. Just give me the salary column or salary field, if you want to call that. And let's save that in here, employee. All right, and I think that should do it. Let's run this. And there you have it. You have the salary now, and I'm showing that salary here on the output. That's why employee.show again. Let's see if that's the right answer. For this to work in this specific checker here, solution checker, I'll have to convert this data frame into a pandas data frame. That's how it works here on this platform. So employee.toPandas. Let's check our solution, and there you go. That's the right answer. Okay. So again, I used a window function here to create a new column in PySpark, and I used specifically dense rank window function. Okay, and after that, I filtered my data set just for the salary rank equals 2. It's going to give me the entire row, but I only chose the salary column, and we have the solution.